To buy Discord Nitro with a Visa gift card, start by making sure your Visa gift card is activated and has sufficient funds to cover the cost of Discord Nitro. The current price of Discord Nitro is around $10 per month or $100 per year. Next, go to the Discord website and log into your account. If you do not have a Discord account, create one by following the registration process. Once you are logged in, click on the user settings icon, which is represented by a gear icon. In the user settings menu, click on the subscription tab and then click on the Discord Nitro option. Choose the subscription plan you want, either monthly or yearly, and click on the subscribe button. You will be redirected to the payment page where you can enter your payment method. Select the credit or debit card option as your payment method and enter your Visa gift card details. Make sure to enter the correct card number, expiration date, and security code. The security code is a 3-digit code located at the back of your Visa gift card. After entering your payment details, click on the Next button to proceed to the next step. Review your payment information to ensure everything is correct. Then click on the Confirm button to complete the purchase. If your payment is successful, you will receive a confirmation message and your Discord Nitro subscription will be activated immediately. You can now enjoy the benefits of Discord Nitro, including custom Discord tags, animated avatars, and larger file uploads. It is essential to note that some Visa gift cards may not work with Discord due to restrictions or limitations set by the card issuer. If your payment is declined, contact your card issuer to resolve the issue or try using a different payment method. By following these steps, you can easily buy Discord Nitro with a Visa gift card and enjoy the enhanced features and benefits it offers. Always ensure you have sufficient funds on your gift card and that your card is activated before making a purchase to avoid any issues.